Hi, good morning. Time right now 6:47. If you're just waking up with us, we are tracking thick levels of smoke all across the borderland thanks to wildfires burning out west and high pressure really trapping all of that toxic air in our atmosphere. So if you are sensitive to any air pollutants or have any respiratory issues such as asthma or COPD, you definitely felt it if you spend some time outdoors this weekend. We're expecting these hazy conditions all week long. But I want to take you outside live right now of our Las Cruces camera as the sun begins to rise over the Oregon Mountains. This is my boost of serotonin when I was on the weekend morning show. I love seeing the sun rise over the Oregon Mountains, but as you can tell, it is still a little hazy out there, not as crystal clear as we like to see it. Let's bring it back over to our weather maps as we are tracking a day that's going to be well above our seasonal average. 94 degrees for a high is what I'm forecasting for today. 89 is where we should be. But the good news is we won't be beating any records, but as you can tell, we are coming pretty close. The record to beat 100 degrees set in the year 2017. And since we're tracking above average temperatures for this time of year, you can succumb to heat-related illnesses, which is a lot more common than people think. So if you work outdoors, whether you work in construction, you work for TxDOT, or if you plan on being outdoors for a prolonged period of time, please look after yourselves and your furry little friends as well. Drink plenty of water and always look before you lock. You don't want to leave any kids in the back seat, not even if it's just for 10 minutes or 15 minutes if you need to run into the store, because we'll do some quick math for you folks. If you just leave the car for 10 minutes and the air temperature outside would be in the mid-90s is what we're also forecasting for today. In just 10 minutes, that temperature in the car will rise to 114. 20 minutes, you're at 124 degrees, which is unsustainable for any human life or anything for your pets, which will cause some pretty bad damage to any of your furry little friends. Highs across the borderland, 94 degrees in Hatch, 92 degrees in the Mesilla Valley. Our hot spots today will be Anthony and Sunland Park at 97 degrees. And then across El Paso County, again, tracking the mid-90s for Montana Vista, 95 for Fort Bliss. And again, the smoke will be in our forecast for the rest of the day. We might see just a little bit clearing, but other than that, we'll be tracking those hazy conditions all day long. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. The mercury will continue to rise for tomorrow, flirting with that triple-digit heat for Tuesday and Wednesday at 97 degrees. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and into the weekend, we remain above average in the mid-90s.